Welcome to Holy Quran Pashto. In this video, I will show you how to use our website and explain its main features. On the homepage, you can easily find all 114 surahs of the Holy Quran. You can search for a surah using the search bar or simply select a surah from the list. The popular section gives you quick access to 15 popular surahs of the Holy Quran. Let's look at the favorites feature. Here you can save your favorite surahs and ayahs so you can easily find and access them again later. For example, I'll open Surah Al-Fatiha and add one ayah to my favorite ayahs list. Now, when I go back to favorites and select favorite ayahs, you can see the ayah I just saved here. You can also remove an ayah from your favorite ayahs list. After refreshing the page, the ayah will disappear from the list. Next, if you click the continue button, the website will take you back to the surah you were reading and automatically return you to the ayah where you left off. You can also use the search bar to quickly find any surah. You can search by surah number, Arabic name, English name, or by the translated name of the surah. For example, here I search for surah number 11. After opening a surah, you can read the Quran with Pashto, Dari, English, and Urdu translations. Tafsir is also available in these languages. You can also listen to verse-by-verse audio in the available languages. I'll explain these features in more detail in a moment.
Alif Lam Ra.
By clicking on the Arabic ayah, you can listen to its Arabic recitation. You can also click on the Pashto, Dari, or English translation to listen to the verse-by-verse translation audio. For the Arabic verse-by-verse recitation, you can choose from 6 different Qaris. In the audio settings, you can also choose whether tapping an ayah plays the audio, enable or disable automatically playing the next ayah, and choose whether the ayah is highlighted while it is playing. Under each ayah or translation, you'll find a Tafsir button. By clicking it, you can open the Tafsir for that language. On the Tafsir page, you can also easily switch between the available languages to read the Tafsir in your preferred language. In the translation settings, you can choose which translations you want to see. Simply enable or disable any language, and the selected translations will appear on the surah page. For some languages, multiple translations are available. Simply click on the translator's name to choose a different translation. In settings, you can also change the appearance of the website. On desktop, you can choose between light, dark, and sepia themes, while on mobile and tablet, you can choose light, dark, or auto. You can also customize the fonts. For each language, there are 3 different font styles available for the Quran text and translations. Simply open the font settings and choose the style you prefer. You can also adjust the font size to make the Quran text and translation smaller or larger, depending on your preference. At the top of each surah page, you can also find information about the surah. From here, you can choose Read the Surah to read the Quran without translations, or Listen to the Surah to listen to the complete surah with a choice of different Qaris. These appearance and font settings can also be accessed directly from the homepage. Now, let's take a look at the Riyadh Quran section. Here, you can read the Holy Quran in a clean Quran-focused view without translations. While reading a surah, you can easily move to the previous or next surah using the navigation buttons at the top. On mobile devices, you can simply swipe left or right on the screen to move between surahs. When you return to the Read Quran page, the Continue button lets you quickly return to the surah you are reading. Your last reading position is highlighted, making it easy to continue from where you left off. You can also add any surah to your favorites. Once saved, simply open the favorite section to quickly find and access your favorite surahs again. Just like on the homepage, you can use the search bar to quickly find any surah by its number, name, Arabic name, or translated name. While reading a surah, you can also customize the reading experience from settings. You can switch between different Quran fonts, change the theme just like on the homepage, and adjust the font size to make the Quran text smaller or larger. Now, let's go back to the homepage and take a look at the Audio Quran section. You can open it from the main menu by selecting Audio Quran. Here, you can listen to the complete Quran by surah. You can add any surah to your favorites so you can quickly find and listen to it again later. After selecting a surah, you can choose from different Qaris and listen to the reciter you prefer. The audio player also allows you to skip forward or backward by 30 seconds. Your listening progress is automatically remembered. By selecting Continue, you can return to the surah and continue from where you stopped. Just like on the other Quran pages, you can quickly search for a surah by its number, name, Arabic name, or translated name.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الله للناس من رحمة فلا ممسك لها وما.
You can also change the appearance of the Audio Quran page by switching between light, dark, and sepia themes. At the bottom of the home page, you'll find our contact information and social links. You can also visit our YouTube channel where you can watch Pashto Quran translations, Quran recitations, and other Islamic videos. If you have any questions, or if you notice something on the website that isn't working correctly, you can contact us by clicking the email button in the footer or by emailing us at contact@holyquranpashto.com. And that's how you can use Holy Quran Pashto. We hope this website helps you read, listen to, and better understand the Holy Quran. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others. Thank you for watching and may Allah reward you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.